a giant syringe suddenly appears in the sky. Next thing you know, countless little red hoods are sucked into it. This is exactly what happens inside our bodies when we extract jam. And those little red hoods, they're the red blood cells we all know about. So, how do cells actually work? Even a tiny scratch on your skin is a big disaster for your body. If not handled properly, bacteria can invade through the wound. To restore order, a specialized team rushes in to repair the damage. They might look like a bunch of adorable little kids called platelets, but they are the front-line soldiers in healing your wound. When a blood vessel is damaged, they quickly assemble. With a command from their leader, countless platelets rush to the wound. They use clotting factors to connect fibrinogen strands. With everyone working together, a massive blood clot forms over the injury. Then, some white blood cells and red blood cells jump into the clot, sticking in place until the wound is fully healed. That's what we call a scab. Inside our bodies, there are about 370,000 billion cells, including platelets. Each type plays a different role. For example, the ones in red uniforms and red hats, those are red blood cells. Their job is to transport oxygen to all organs. And that boy in a white uniform with a white hat, that's a white blood cell, your immune system's main warrior. Whenever an invader appears, he jumps straight into battle. And the woman teaching the little red hoods, that's a macrophage. She looks gentle, but her combat skills are terrifying. White blood cells patrol, spotting intruders. Macrophages analyze enemy data. Helper cells then give precise commands, dispatching elite killer cells to eliminate the threat. One day, a white blood cell was patrolling the lawns with a red blood cell. Suddenly, his alarm went off. There was an intruder, but after looking around, he couldn't see anything unusual. So, he and the red blood cell decided to split up. Strangely, as soon as the red blood cell walked away, the alarm stopped. When the red blood cell reached the alveoli, she suddenly saw her delivery box moving on its own. A pneumococcus bacterium burst out of it. Just as the bacterium was about to attack and infect the lungs, the white blood cell arrived just in time. He grabbed the red blood cell and pretended to run away, leading the bacterium straight to the respiratory tract. Just when the bacterium thought it had caught them, the white blood cell hit a nearby button, trapping it in a mucus net. Then, the body's system packaged the bacterium and loaded it into the Sneeze Minutes 1 launch rocket. As the countdown ended, the rocket fired into the sky. And that, my friend, is how we sneeze.